History of Nueva Valencia. The towns there were known as Pueblecito villages of Agang Valencia, whose patroness was Santa Ana. Although during the Spanish regime there were separate powers between the church and the state, yet the church had much influence in the creation of Pueblecito towns and establishments of parishes. The history of Nueva Valencia, just like the other towns in the island of Guimaras, dates back the time when Himalos or Guimaras was Christianized by Spaniards. How Nueva Valencia got its name. The Spanish authority created Santa Ana as a town named it Valencia after a town in Spain which its patroness was Santa Ana. The first appointed alcalde mayor was Don Manuel Segovia. The municipal building called Casaril. The municipal government was transferred to Barrio Igang when the Casaril was razed by fire due to unknown cause. Igang then became the poblacion and the whole town was named Nueva Valencia or Nueva Valencia.
Today, Nueva Valencia is currently led by Honorable Attorney Paul de la Cruz, our municipality mayor, and our vice mayor is Honorable Maria Luz G. Gabalan, together with Honorable Marilu S. De Lumpa, Honorable Rodolfo Gamuyao, Honorable Rafael Yonanga, Honorable Jason E. Javier, Honorable Primitivo T. Gallego, Honorable Cecilia E. Ortiz, and lastly, Honorable Felix G. Servando.
Here are some pictures of Poblacion Nueva Valencia Barangay Hall. The John B. Lacson Foundation Maritime University Ecological Park and Sanctuary can also found at Nueva Valencia Guimaras. Here are some snaps from the Day 2 of JBL FMU Eco Adventure Camp 2024 at Puerto del Mar, Nueva Valencia, Guimaras. The JBL FMU Eco Adventure Camp is a brainchild project initiated by JBL FMU SES aimed at creating awareness and educating campers about the hazard of climate change and importance of environmental protection and preservation. More than just a gathering, this camp presents the university's collective commitment towards fostering a sustainable and resilient future. The event is being attended by students leaders from the 3 units of JBL FMU, student leaders from the 18 high school of the province of Guimaras, and community partners of JBL FMU SES. Geography. Nueva Valencia, one of the 5 municipalities that comprise the island province of Guimaras. It is a third-class municipality, has present 22 barangays, 14 are coastal barangay, 6 inland and 2 island barangays. The local economy of Nueva Valencia is based on its natural and manpower resources. Since the agricultural-based municipality, the employment level was primarily focused on agri-fishery industry at 67.80%, followed by trade and services by 24.46% as secondary sector, and third is manufacturing, construction, and facilities at 7.24%. Culture. The festival in Nueva Valencia is called Sagsaran Festival, held in Nueva Valencia, Guimaras. It's a vibrant event that showcases the rich culture, traditions, and heritage of the region through various activities such as street dancing, cultural presentation, food fairs, and beauty pageants. It's a wonderful opportunity for locals and tourists alike immerse themselves in the colorful tapestry of Guimaras' cultural heritage. Today we practice a new culture. It is called Bancarera. Bancarera is a race between small boats that is specially designed for racing use only. These specially designed boats are controlled manually by an operator on board the racing boat or bangka.